Not really, baby. Come on, Jackson, eat your food. Come on, Chantel. My God, I've been cleaning, but just now it's kind of like disaster. Come on. Let me fix your hairs. Yes, I'm busy day to night until they fall asleep. Wait, I supposed to do live earlier, but it's kind of like. You want more? Open your mouth. Open. There you go. Eat. Open. There you go. Where's the brush, hon? Where's the brush? Say hi, everybody. Say hi over here. Say hi. We don't have brush. She have a long hairs now. You know that? Get long hair. What happened that? Because we don't have a brush, just do like this. Right, Chantel? Yes? It's okay. Your hair is kind of like very long now. We're gonna cut it, baby. You would like mommy cut it? You would like mommy hair curl like this? No? You want it?
Yes.
Oh, you don't want it? Okay. Hey, Sir Ryan, how are you doing today, huh? What happened to TV? Hoggy. I'm here. I'm here. Hi, Ryan. Carlos, hi. Kendall, how are you doing?
Teaching.
I'm doing kind of good. Oh, okay. You can't see me. Okay. Wait. Kenny. Because they just woke up, so that's why. Mommy Kenny. Open your mouth. Time to eat. Eat. And you? Okay. Come here. No? Come here. Come. Oh. What? Oh, you thinking bad again? Okay lang dumaling akong. Hala, ikaw ha? Hoy, I can be pretend here to being married. Ikaw. So you think if the person there's no ring is not married? Is it? Really? You don't know that. Ah, see? You're very judge, huh? That's the sample of judgmental. Ikaw. So it means if you find the girl that there's no ring, it means it's not married? Really? Well, sorry. It's okay. You don't have to. Sometimes you find the woman there's no ring. There's, you know, even they don't have ring, but they are married. Huh? Like you guys. Sometimes there's some people that pretend. Pero ano? Yeah, and I'm not gonna hide for that. What should I hide for? If you like me, stay there. If you don't like me, doesn't matter. I'm not gonna, ano? Go. Chantel, do like this. Black sheep, have you ever worn? If you don't like me, honey, it's fine. Huh? Maybe you're gonna get trouble there. Ay, nako, people. Be nice na lang ba? Be nice. Be good friend, Ana. You cannot find the good relationship in social media. Trust me. I'm not done yet, honey. I will fix your makeup curly like this, you know. Come on. You look so beautiful. Come on, Where are you going? Okay, get your toys. Come on. Come back here. Dali na. Hurry up. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back to me. Come here. Oh, your outfit is Happy Valentine. Come on, Debbie. Come on over here. Sit down here.
I don't like it.
Why?
I don't like it.
You would like mommy be sad? Okay then. You don't like it?